Everybody, it's the Idiot right here. Figured I'd show you what the bike looks like with the fairing on it. A few things still need to be done. I need a headlight ring or the trim bezel. I don't know if I showed this in the video, but I went ahead and put that on. I had to make some temporary brackets, as you can see, for my blinkers. So I'm going to have to buy the Harley one. Exciting. Went ahead and put gauges, and I got a waterproof cover. No radio yet. I was getting tired of looking at it just sitting, so I mounted it today. Went ahead and put on the auxiliary switch cover, which all in all I like the way it came out. I had to add a little zip tie here because there was a wire hook. I was planning on having all these gauges wired in, but I ended up buying the wrong connector. I was just going to bypass all this and feed it straight to it. Now I'm having second thoughts on that. I'm still going to eventually do it. I'll make another video when I do. Since I couldn't get the actual Harley fuel gauge and volt gauge to work, it had the turn signal indicators in it. I put my own on here. Figured it's been a while and I'd give an update so you can kind of see what the fairing looks like on the bike. It makes it ride a little bit different. Keeps it a lot warmer in this area, so that's a good thing. Did what I was wanting it to. I said I'll make one more video, I think, showing you how I wired everything up. So I had to get a relay and figure out where my ignition wire is so it would kick the power off and on so it won't be on full time. Short and sweet. Peace out.